Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi PCL401 1/4 inch sheet sander. This is 18 volt cordless. This little unit will run at 14,000 OPM, and that's with no loads. Dust collection port on the side can handle 1 1/4 inch hose and a 1 7/8 inch hose. So you can go interior with a smaller one or exterior. Comes with a dust collection bag. The dust collection bag is great. If you do not have the ability to have a dust collection system, put that on, you're ready to go. One of the nice features is it actually comes with 3 sheets of sandpaper to start out. Your owner's manual, make sure you read that. And this is a little handy dandy thing here is you could take your own sandpaper. So to save money, you could buy sandpaper in sheets. And you take this, it's got a little picture on it, shows you which way to put it. Put that on, line that up, press down and wiggle it. That off, and it gives you the dust collection holes. They're not as big as the ones that you get with it and that you can buy separately. They're big enough that you can actually use the dust collection. This particular unit, you have your on-off in the front, just toggle switches here, which is great. To actually load the sandpaper, it's a good old-fashioned little ring and tab. A little bit difficult to pop it up and hold it out to put your paper in. So you pop those out on both sides and connector, hold that down. So we're going to go ahead and load some sandpaper. The way I do this makes it easier is I actually set it down, make sure I popped it up, take my sheet, put it down, pop it over, put it up, fold your paper over, pop it over and in. When you put your paper in, paper is just the right size. There's little guide pins right here. Don't go any further than a little guide pin, otherwise you will not have enough area to get your sandpaper in. This one I'm using my P3240, a little project vac. It's got a shorter hose on it, so you got to keep it close. However, you can use this, or you can use a larger size shop vac to actually make it work. Plug that in, plug our battery in, safety glasses. Great little unit. Main thing to remember when you're gripping it, you can see down in the side there on both sides are your air vents. You don't want to cover those up, so hold it at the top. Ryobi corner cat that I've used for years. It's fantastic. Do you need both? The new sheet sander does give you a bigger, flatter surface, so it's easier to actually sand, so there are some benefits to it. The corner cat doesn't have an exhaust, or at least on the one that I own. However, these two replace my original Black & Decker that I've had for over 35 years. Now here's a question for you out there. Send me a comment for anybody that has a tool that has stopped working and you're keeping it because eventually you're going to fix it. Well, I've been going to fix this for over 10 years, got 35 years of use out of it. Still keeping it around. I'm going to get around to fixing it. If you already own the corner cat and you don't do a lot of sanding, corner cat's going to work fine. Sheet sander is great. You can cut your own paper and save money on it. So I do recommend the PCL401. Hey, and remember, join the adventure. Down on the bottom of your YouTube screen, you can click the join button and join and get special perks. View videos before they actually premiere. All kinds of free giveaways that are coming up in the future. If not, please take a look, and if you like it, click the thanks button and go ahead and give a donation so I can keep going on the channel.